In the upcoming episodes, we will tackle the 5 names or titles that were given to the pharaohs and the symbols that represented all names. Those names were meant to symbolize the divine power of the ruler, linking him with specific gods and to show his dominion over the earthly realm. The 5 names developed through the centuries, beginning from dynasty number 1 till they got fully standardized during the Middle Kingdom, and they were used till the Roman Empire. The 5 names are as follows in chronological order. The Horus name, the Nepti, 2 ladies name, the Horus of gold name, the throne name, the personal name.